Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like this vignette sort of frame on CapCut PC. There are two ways to do this. So I'm just going to add in my video, and then I'm going to select the black background and I'm going to overlay that on top of the video. Go to mask and select circle and just kind of create like an oval shape, making sure you invert that. Then you are just going to feather it out like a lot. If it's too like dark here, you can just scale it up a little bit and feather that out again, although I don't quite like how that looks. So this is the first one, so you can kind of like customize it. The second one is easier. You're just going to simply select the video, go to adjustments, scroll down until you find vignette, and you're just going to add it to your video. This is the simpler version, but yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!